Hello, here's a challenge fractions equations. X minus 3 over 663 plus x over 666 plus x plus 3 over 669 equal to 3. Find the value of x. Can you figure out? Pause the video and give yourself a try while you are ready. Keep watching the video to find the result. I'm going to analyze the given equations. I find the denominators, the difference is plus 3. And the numerators also the difference is plus 3. Then each fraction minus 1 the equation as quantity x minus 3 over 663 minus 1 plus quantity x over 666 minus 1 and plus quantity x plus 3 over 669 minus 1 equal to 0. Reduction to common denominators, then simplify it. We get x minus 666 over 663 plus x minus 666 over 666 plus x minus 666 over 669 equal to 0. Factorization, we get x minus 666 multiplies quantity 1 over 663 plus 1 over 666 plus 1 over 669 equal to 0. Eliminate the second quantity. We get x minus 66 equal to 0. So x equal to 666. That's the answer. Did you figure out? Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.